Hello children, welcome to online learning classes. Today we are going to learn for class 6 social science. The new chapter that we are going to start today is chapter 6 and 7 rural and urban administration. In today's class we are going to discuss about the rural area and the urban area, how they are administered. Presented by Sonakshi Saluja. So, in this chapter, we are going to talk about how rural and urban area are looked after by different type of people, and also what is the basic difference between both of them. As we all are aware, with urban area and rural area, they both have so many difference, so we are going to see the administration difference also. First of all, we must know what is administration. The control or the act of managing something, for example, a system, an organization or a business. So, we call it as administration. As you can see in the picture, the urban area and rural area both looks different and are also administered differently. All the states of India are divided into districts for managing, solving the matters, disputes of any area. These districts are further subdivided and are known as Tehsil or Taluka. So, to check, there are districts that are subdivided and they are considered as Taluka or Tehsil. Then we will see, earlier we have seen government. In that chapter we have seen local self-government. Now it is also divided into two parts, rural local self-government and urban area local self-government. So first of all we will see local area, that means rural administration. Administration in rural areas involve many aspects. Some of them are as follows. So basically they are focused on construction of public facilities like road, drainage, check dams. So these are the main administrative work which are seen in rural areas. Other than this, we have some of the peoples who look after the rural area or the village area. They are police, patwari, tehsil and district collector. They are the one who look after the things which are happening around in the village area. So what all things they see? They see that there is settlement of disputes. If there is any fight in the society, if anybody is not listening to one another, so they are settling down those disputes. It is the work of rural administration to settle down. Then it also has importance, or we can say in maintenance of land record, the another thing that the rural administration do is maintenance of land records, that it is the work of patwari that we will read further. They record or they maintain the land record, that which land belongs to whom. Now here one short story is there that tells us about the rural administration. Now Mohan noticed that Raghu has shifted the bund, but Raghu refused to accept and instead bit him. Bund here means he has taken some of the portion of Mohan's land. Mohan's neighbor helped him and was provided with first aid. But here it was not only the matter of land. Now here the matter was that Mohan was bet by Raghu, and this has to be seen in rural administration. So where he will go? Either he can go to Gram Sabha, that is meeting of all the adults who live in an area, or else the Panchayati Raj through the Gram Sabha, he can solve the disputes instead of going to the police station. Now it is up to him where he want to go. Either he can choose police station or he can go to Gram Sabha and sit over there and he can tell or discuss about the land captured or taken, some of the land or portion was taken away by Raghu, and he can also discuss that how these all disputes started. Now the area and work of the police station. First we all need to know what is police station. It is a place where people register their complaints. Now, every police station has an area that comes under its control. It is not like that I am sitting in Mumbai and I will register a case at Uttar Pradesh or in Jammu and Kashmir. It is the particular area where we belong to. So likewise, every person has their own area. So police station also has. It is also called a station house. So this is the area of the police station. Now let us see what is the work of the police station. In the police station, Mohan met the SHO, that means station house officer, as police station is also known as station house. So the officer who controls the police station is known as station house officer. So he complained about Raghu and all the things he has given in the form of FIR, that means first information report. So his report was registered by the police station. Another thing from where he can understand, or from here he can also get the proof, that is Patwari. So Patwari's duty, let us see. Now first of all we need to know who is Patwari. A person who investigates or who measures the land record. Okay, the role of Patwari is to investigate, and he is also even he can help in finding out the original boundary. Okay. Then we have another important person known as Tehsildar. He is the revenue officer working under the district collector. Now Tehsildar work is to keep a check on Patwari's work, and finally he goes with a report, and he is we can say he is responsible to answer everything in front of district collector, who is the head of the district. Then we have another administration, that is urban administration, that is completely different from rural administration. A city is much bigger than a village, as we all know. It has more crowd, many buses, car, water, electricity, traffic control and hospitals. Likewise, when we talk about urban area, so there is difference in administration as well. Now here some of the important things that we are going to see that differentiates the urban life and the rural life. That is, first of all, the administration. We are all aware with the lifestyle also of urban people and rural people. So here local government, urban area, we have towns where the municipalities are there, and we have big cities, metro cities, where municipal corporations are there who work. Now in urban also you see the two different things. So first of all we will talk about municipal corporation. Municipal corporation is that which takes care of street lights and is also responsible for the garbage collection. So municipal corporation not only takes care whatever means like there are street lights to be done, to be built, to be made, or there are garbages to be picked up. If there is any shortage of water, so water supply, these all works are to be done by the municipal corporation. Yeah, and they are also responsible for taking it up. So they are taking it up very nicely also. So these are some of the works you can see in the picture of municipal corporation. Here you can see some of the peoples, they are picking up garbage. Some of the places, some peoples are doing another things. So these all are the first part that we have completed. Now in second part we will discuss about the municipalities and the people who are there in municipalities. Till then, thank you.